Hayi, isikhona-ke manje i-National High Command lapha kwa-MK, whose primary priority, amongst other things, is the establishment of ama-structures. Angibelilokhu sibelesela ngama-structures. Sesinayo manje national structure. I-national structure izobe isi-establisha, i-facilitator the establishment of other structures. Kodwa ngoba nina nineliswa nina namanje nisasitshela indaba ukuthi hey bekumele kube ne-conference, bekusho bani bekumele kube ne-conference? This structure was supposed to be constituted through a conference, internal party democracy, yara. First and foremost, i-conference, ubani wathi i-conference nje yona i-democracy? Conference is not a democracy, not necessarily anyway. You can have a democracy, you can have a conference, and it's not, because the conference and processes are, and those processes may not necessarily be democratic processes. Lokhu sune holo democratic conference. We have a conference that is supposed to be democratic, but whose processes were so manipulated and sabotaged that it becomes undemocratic. In fact, it becomes the expression of dictatorship of some sort. It might be, in some instances, to any dictatorship by capital. We know capital does hijack conferences. Conference of a party like Umkhonto weSizwe, which is now the number one threat to the system. It's definitely going to be hijacked. Jacob Zuma, Commander-in-Chief knows this, and that is why a leadership of MK decided there is not going to be a conference, because again, establish structures can be done without a conference. A conference is not the only way through which structures can be established, as it has been done. Number 4, understand ukuthi njengoba nje si-liberation movement, we are a democratic centralist liberation movement. What does Joe Slovo says about democracy and liberation movement? He says, even though democracy is an important aspect of liberation movement, but its practice cannot be absolute. It must be done cautiously and in a limited manner, because it is a liberation movement that has enemies that are waiting to hijack, to exploit such democratic processes, in order to capture the movement. That is what was going to happen with conference. We've seen like South Africa conference in Detengwayo. So that is why we are not obsessed about into a conference. We are not, and it's kakhulu abantu abakhuluma kakhulu ngalento ye conference, abantu kahle kahle who are not even members of MK. Some of them are pushing that narrative because bese beplanile vele ukuthi bazoyihijacka kanjani MK using other means, not under the watch of Jacob Zuma. Injalo ke indaba. So le obsession le onawo ne conference yek ngoba wena inkinga yakho ukuthi you have a myopic view of what democracy is. And uyasho futhi uJoslov mengabe eqhubeka athi i-liberation movement is such that decisions cannot always be taken through democratic processes. So he's cautioning members of a democratic movement that look, in as much as this is a democratic liberation movement, but it is a democratic centralist movement, which basically means there are going to be times where decisions are going to have to bypass the democratic processes for strategic reasons. This is the example of that. Yes, a conference would have been nice, but does it make a strategic sense? No, it doesn't, because of the challenges that we are facing, because already we have seen just how dangerous, capital is. La ka MK. Angithi kuyimanje kunabantu who have been who have been captured by some other forces and they are being paid and they are taking MK to court and all of those things. So President Zuma being aware of that, and the leadership core of MK, which at the time was the interim leadership, took a decision that MK shall establish its structures, but it shall do so ngale ndlela le. And a decision was taken, and it was announced as a member of Umkhonto weSizwe. Your job and your responsibility as a loyal and disciplined member of MK is not to question, it's not to criticize. MK has enough critics. It's not to second guess this decision, but to support it fully. To support it fully. Why? Because as a disciplined member, you understand that there is something called democratic centralism, which simply says sometimes decisions are going to be taken out of democratic processes. It is just the way it is with liberation movements. A liberation movement is not always going to have conferences and consultations, and because some of these things are strategic things, they have to be taken in a closed manner. Tina okwethu njengamanje as ama-members is to close rank. Umkhonto weSizwe close rank, support the leadership that has been chosen, the National High Command. Vele sazosebenza nathi establish ama-structures including the leagues as well. But njengamanje we have a direction. We've always had a direction, but now the picture is now even clearer to abanye abantu kade bengakaboni. There's nothing undemocratic about how this National High Command was constituted. It is there now, and by the way, democracy is intando yeningi. Angithisho njalo ngesizulu democracy. Uma ngabe kuyintando yeningi, uma ngabe iningi lama members of MK, disciplined members of MK, loyal members of MK, actually abide by the direction, the decision that has been taken by our leadership. It's not our job to question it. It's not our job to question it, because the leadership here to Arizona is Dupunga. They took that decision after making critical political calculations, after analyzing, the material conditions, analyzing our challenges that MK has to deal with, and then they took a particular decision on our behalf. And we accept that decision, we support that decision, we shall support the leadership. Ungatholakali-ke wena njengemember ye-MK ugxeka iy'nqumo ze-MK, because thina soye sesibona lona akayona imember lo. Kusamele aqeqeshwe abe disciplined, aqeqeshwe abe loyal, understand ukuthi noma ngabe kuthiwa wena bungenza ngenye indlela, remember, it's not you, it's not me, it's the leadership collective. And leadership collective is not you, does not sit in your brain, does not exist to advance the ideas that you might have. Ngithola? Sinje la MK. Uma ngabe ukhuluma ugxeka-ke akusho awuyona MK Nkosi yami. Thina as ama-members e-MK, we are satisfied, more than satisfied in fact, by ama-developments asenzekile. We can see that this movement is going somewhere. We are confident about that. Laba abathi i-MK ngeke izofa vele izoba ikhophu, abakaze vele bathi MK will amount to anything. The same people who said this is a 2% party are the same people who are now saying MK is off. Why should we listen to them? They've already been discredited by making this wrong prediction about MK. It's clear ukuthi bona abayiboni izinto ezenzeka. So MK lihle, thina nje siphusha into ye-MK kuphela. Ukuseceleni olwa ne-MK siyam isolate. Injani ndaba?